Hi, how are you? And welcome to Two Piece en Español.
Hola.
Hola!
I'm very well. I'm doing very well, thank you. How are you?
Fine, I'm super excited. Okay, so today you are going to help me to read this little story in Spanish. Okay, and then we are going to work on how much do you understand, and if you know some verbs or some nouns, we can work on that. Okay?
Okay,
Okay,
bueno.
so could you start reading? ¿Puedes empezar a leer, please?
Okay. Andrés es un chico muy trabajador. Él tiene 20 años y es estudiante de ingeniería.
Mm-hmm.
Ahora está en su último año de universidad y está un poco preocupado porque va a comenzar sus prácticas en una empresa importante. El lunes por la mañana, Andrés hace su desaño- desayuno y
Mm-hmm.
prepara su mochila. Su hermana le dice: Tú puedes hacerlo muy bien, no tengas miedo.
Yay! Muy bien, muy bien. I love it.
Gracias.
Okay, so now, ¿qué palabras sabes? What words do you understand?
Mm,
Or, if you know most of it, tell me what word you don't understand. Okay?
okay. So, Andrés, un chico muy trabajador. Andrew is a boy, a very hardworking boy.
Uh-huh.
He is 20 years old
Ajá.
and studies engineering. Is that what
Ajá, muy
engineering?
bien. Ajá.
Okay. How do you pronounce that?
Ingeniería.
Ingeniería.
Yeah, it's in ge nie ría.
Ingeniería.
Ujú.
Ingeniería.
Muy bien. Ajá.
Okay, gracias. Now he is in his last year of university
Ajá.
and he's a little worried. Is that
Ajá. Ajá.
preocupado?
Ajá.
Because he's going to begin his tests.
No, practicas is more like
No?
an internship.
Internship. Okay.
Yeah.
So he's going to begin his internship. What is empresa?
Like company.
Company. Okay.
Like
So he's
a
going to begin
Google.
his
Yeah, Google,
okay.
Tesla, those are companies.
Okay. So he is a little bit nervous because he's going to begin his internship in a important business
Mm-hmm.
or company.
Mm-hmm.
And on
Mm-hmm.
Monday morning, Andrew has his breakfast, desayuno,
Yes. Ajá, muy bien.
and packs his backpack.
Mm-hmm.
His sister says, "You're going to do great. Don't be afraid."
Yay, muy bien.
Yay!
A plus.
Gracias.
Muy
Gracias.
bien, fantástico. Me encanta. Ok, so la siguiente semana podemos platicar acerca de otra historia y ver tu nivel. ¿Qué te parece? So let's meet next week and we can continue. Okay,
Okay,
thank
bueno.
you so much.
Of
Bye
course.
bye.
Adios.
Bye bye.